Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
What's good? What's good?
Not a whole lot.
Mr. Bankroll.
Not a whole lot. My girlfriend's in
Sure, let me know.
in the room on a
Let me know
meeting,
if
so
you
I might be
from my
I might be
end,
muted
I can
here.
look into it.
Just so we're not talking over each other.
Okay, that's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Oh my god, my cat. What the hell? One second.
All right, we're back. I guess the call's over. I thought it was gonna last a little longer.
W. Wait, are you live right now on YouTube?
Yeah, I just went live a little bit ago.
Nice. Oh, type shit. By the way, the other guys that was joining the Discord like recently, are they from your YouTube or they're friends or like what was?
I guess the YouTube.
Nice.
Yeah, we got a couple in here.
YouTube soon to be popping, bro. Like, oh my. Honestly, like it's just real raw and just like I don't know. I like it.
I appreciate it. Yeah, I don't edit anything. It's
Yeah.
I'll probably eventually put a little bit more production to it, but
About that.
Good morning, boys.
That's good.
come on, Josh. Oh, we got Mike in here.
Find data make some money. Yeah, find data make some money, isn't it?
Always is. Dude, I've been fumbling the bag though, so I gotta get my mental right.
I feel bad yesterday, man. So I told myself this, Ryan. I told myself this. I'm like, if I'm holding and if I'm super confident on my position, I'm gonna try to talk you into holding just a little bit longer moving forward.
Yeah.
And I'm hoping that doesn't. Hopefully that works in my favor because I don't want you to lose money because of me.
No, you're good. It was me. I was, like I said, I was just like watching my profit loss too much instead of paying attention to the actual chart, you know? Like we're still making lower lows, lower highs. There's no reason for me to get out there besides the fact that my premiums were getting eaten. But yeah, it was just, I don't know, the past 2 days.
I'm like, I should have told you to hold yesterday.
No.
I was confident. I saw that. I was like, it's gonna go down, but I was like, if he's gonna sell, he's gonna sell. But I
Yeah.
felt bad, man. I was like, I should have told him to hold it.
No, it's
Sometimes you just
it's
need
never
that
on
voice
you.
to tell you.
Yeah, I appreciate it. It's never on you though.
So I think it's gonna be a major put data though. I think it's with the news coming out today because I was just telling Mike this. You see that pre-market drop right there? I think that was due to the jobless claims news that came out about an hour
Yeah,
ago.
they had initial jobless claims, and then they had like a GDP revision. So they probably,
Yeah.
I don't know what that came out as, but I guess you don't really need to know to see how the market reacts.
Yeah, probably wasn't good. So I was
It's-
telling him, like, what if we throw in like a 2-day DTE to have it expire tomorrow? Because I could imagine that there's going to be a major gap down tomorrow morning because Powell's speaking after the market closes.
Yeah, I'm not gonna gamble on that. You don't know. I mean, we've been bearish, but I don't know. Also, if you look at the daily chart, we have like a massive hammer candle on a key level. So it's
Yeah, that's what she here.
I Here, I'll send you a screenshot real quick. I'm not saying that we rallied, but like I wouldn't be surprised if we got a little bit of a bounce here. I'll even include the volume here. The market just opened. All right, here. I always get caught up doing other stuff right as the market opens, but that's all right. Throwing it in general.
Dang, Apple, what are we doing?
Apple.
Oh my gosh, dude.
I literally have that exact same level marked out on my daily.
Yeah, we had that
swinging.
that little 4-day range where we were in that consolidation. And we have that hammer candle like right on that. But yeah, it looks like we're opening below that level. We'll pull up the old trade chart.
Oh my gosh, dude. Apple is not messing around this morning.
Is it up, down?
Major down. Like it opened at 169.5 and it's already down at below 168.
Gotcha. Yeah.
168.1 or 0.1. It's yeah.
It is funny because like the chart might set up and look like we might have a bounce, but then news can come out and just erase all that. Like it can be set up for like, oh, we might have a short-term bounce here, but then the news is like, oh, everybody is jobless, and the market just sells. JT, how your interviews going, my friend? Slaying them?
Not too bad. I was just in Dublin yesterday. I'm trying to get a job out in Dublin so I can move out this crib, bro. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm focused on.
Hey.
Oh.
Good luck with that.
Yeah.
How far are you from Dublin?
About an hour. I live in a small town, Tullamore. You're definitely not gonna know, but like, it's the worst, like, truly.
Yeah, I can right now.
It's funny, we're
Are the
just
premiums on Apple pretty cheap, or are they expensive too, like Tesla?
what on Apple? They should be pretty cheap,
Yeah.
comparatively.
Dang.
They'd probably be closer to like
That might have been a
Spy.
movement.
I haven't looked in a while, but I think like, I don't know, 1 to 200 or so, nothing crazy.
That might be the move then if we can. Yeah. Seriously. Spy's doing what I want it to do so far. I'm hoping it comes up and closes that gap from yesterday's close at 426. There we go.
Oh my god.
Take it easy, man.
15 minute. 15 minute.
426.80.
No, 426 even for me, and then I have another resistance point at 426.4. And if we hold there, I'm gonna be looking at some puts.
Been mainly trading on the 5 minute.
Yeah, that's been my bread and butter.
I got mixed up in the 2 minute yesterday.
I gotta try that too.
The 2 minutes, I think I just jumped into it without a strategy. But it can be good for like entries and exits.
You gotta mess with it.
Yeah, I think I just gotta try out what works. I think like confirmation on a 5 minute, but then like an entry on a 2 minute might be solid.
Yeah. I was watching one guy on YouTube. He just does like fair value gaps on the 5 minute, and he just like kills it.
So you guys keep mentioning fair value gaps. I still haven't looked that shit up, dude. I'm slacking.
Oh yeah.
I know you're about it, Mike. I heard.
That's right. I just watched a video on it. I mean, that's where you learn everything, you know?
Yeah.
Free education.
You don't need to pay $2,000 for a mastermind class. What are you talking about?
Yeah, you guys can sign up for mine.
This is support and resistance.
Today only.
Yeah. Flash sale. We'll never let another person in ever again. Do you want to be a millionaire or do you want to be broke forever? Join my Discord.
I do notice those, like a lot of those, like obviously, like right now I'm getting like those ads on every single non-trading YouTube video I'm watching.
Bro,
Like those ads pop up, every single one, and it's like every single one is like a straight gaslight.
Yeah.
I mean, there's a lot of money to be made in that.
Oh yeah. Well, I looked at a lot of reviews on like some of them, and some of them just say they're a joke. Some love them. It's just like 50-50.
Yeah. You get mixed results with those for sure.
I was thinking about signing up for one while I'm off to see what it is, but.
Dude, you're already in the best Discord in the world, dude.
Up and coming for sure.
We have our resident trader Ray. He's like the consistently like actual profitable one. I'm just learning.
We got the dib by hopping in this Discord.
Is our buy it?
Yeah. Get in now before I raise the price from free to $5 a month.
Get in now.
I'm going back to YouTube.
Pretty wild price action here.
Josh will just blow you up on the YouTube comments. You'll let him back in.
Let him back in.
I'll just go back to this, telling my daily stories.
Let him in.
Dude, boost my algorithm. That's fine.
Yeah.
This candle is crazy. We like rallied off the pre-market lows and then just immediately erased it. Wild stuff.
Are we still sitting sideways?
Oh, we're sitting sideways.
Good.
Like Paul Wall. Sitting sideways. I wish I could play like actual music on my stream, but I think I'd get like DMCA striked. I think they just mute my audio.
Should we have some oldies on?
That's what I'm saying. It'd be pretty sick if you could just hit a banger trade and throw on a slapper. Just ride off into the sunset like that. I guess sunrise in our case, but yeah, I just play like lo-fi because I can't get copyright on it. Josh, you doing construction over there? What's going on?
Yeah, my bad, dude. I didn't mute.
No, you're good. I'm just bullshit.
You gotta respect the live stream.
No, I'm just playing with you, man. You're chilling.
Oh, so this is all on YouTube right now? They can hear us all?
Yeah, I can change that if you want. I can mute you guys.
Oh, no, I don't care.
Nah. Keep it. I want them to hear my voice.
Soon they'll know my name. I'm looking for us to break below 425. It's that like pre-market low. Also a pretty key level from yesterday.
Yeah.
If we break below that, I could see us heading a bit lower, maybe down to like 424 easy. So we'll see. See if we get down
The
there.
last 2 days we set new lower lows. So
For sure. I think we have more data coming out, or like more news coming out. Oh, I didn't mean to do that.
at 10 o'clock we do.
Yeah, that's it. I forget what it is. There's a bunch of stuff coming out today. What, Jerome Powell speaks? That's like after the market closes.
But there's another federal announcement at 1 o'clock today.
The federal government cook. He's not cook us. He's not cook the market, dude. Oh, pending home sales at 10 a.m. I don't expect that to really move the market much. Not as much as like a GDP or jobless would. Yeah, we're like right in the middle of yesterday's range too, so we might get some chop. It's like been nice once we break out of the previous day's range, but while we're in it, we've been chopping the past couple days. It's like yesterday morning we kind of chopped around, and then once we like broke to the downside, we finally got some nice moves. I could see that happening more today. Ray's gonna hop in here at some point and just clown on us all for watching Spy, while he just hit like a 10-point move on Apple or something.
Yes.
He does it every day, dude. He'll just go hit a banger trade and just come in here and laugh at us like, oh, you guys are chopping around? Oh. And I always say, like...
Tesla is...
Dude, that Apple sell-off is wild, though. I just Googled. Microsoft's down quite a bit, too. Holy. Microsoft's down pretty good. Nvidia's holding strong. Tesla's holding pretty decent. It's actually up on the day. Okay. Tesla's got some relative strength. Netflix is getting slapped.
Tesla's like abnormally not volatile right now.
I think they have Q3 deliveries coming up soon. Like, either like this week or next. Like really soon. So I bet maybe people are just waiting to get that. To see like what their Q3 deliveries are, and then they'll probably trade it. Right? No, I don't. Nah, man, we love it. Testing 425. I want to see us break below that. That's that pre-market low. Nice key level from yesterday. Nice whole number. That would be pretty nice.
Mike and JT, what are you guys seeing?
Yeah, I'm waiting for that
I'm just waiting for us
425
to
too. I
break.
have that marked off.
Yeah.
2, 3, 4.
We just broke it.
Yeah.
I might go get a third monitor this weekend so I can have Trading View up too.
A third monitor?
Yeah.
He's getting serious.
Damn.
Well, I mean, I
Crazy.
was so used to like Trading View. Well, I finally figured out on the TD Ameritrade, the Thinkorswim,
Oh, nice, yeah.
you can detach like your
Oh.
options chain, your positions. So I have two screens, but one's just for my chart, and then my whole other monitor is for my options chain and my positions, so you can send them and sell them quickly.
Oh, that's beautiful. I like that.
But I don't like the chart as much as Trading View.
Yeah, the trading view charts are unbeaten.
Yeah.
They're so clean.
I mean, I'm using a free one from work, so I only have to buy one more monitor.
That's
They
hilarious.
sent us 3 monitors during COVID, so.
The 3 monitors? I got a monitor for my job. I hook that up to my computer when I trade, but that's like
Yeah.
my second monitor is all my like streaming stuff. So I probably should get like a third monitor so I can, because right now all my trading, like my option chains, my charts, everything's on my laptop screen, which is pretty small.
Okay. No, this is my gaming monitor is my main one, but let's buy another one.
I just need like a
I'll be on for
projector.
4 months, so I'll be on here every day. Might as well.
Yeah.
We might see something. We might see a nice position if we don't get past. If we don't touch past 425.8, that might, or even 445.7, that might be something worth looking at. If we can't reclaim this position.
Yeah, I have a level right at 425.76.8 right in there.
Yep. Are you talking about where that most recent candle opened on the 5-minute?
Where it opened? Yeah, the previous candle. Like, yeah, exactly right where it opened, pretty much. Yeah, I'm kind of waiting for us to break out of this range, though. I think to the upside, excuse me, to the upside, I'd want to see us break like the pre-market high around that like 427.5, and to the downside, I want to see us break 425. We're a lot closer to the downside right now, so we'll see. Classic SPY though, just up and down, like chopping around first 30 minutes.
Yeah, we touched 425.77, and now we're just, I think, past it.
Yeah, we rejected right off that level so far.
Wrong sellers.
Yep.
There we go.
I bought a 2-day DTE put at 426.
Dang.
Throw me some funds. When this hits, we'll all go to Ireland and go to a pub.
Okay, sounds fun.
On Josh.
On Josh, off the single contract.
I'm gonna hold on this one too. So we'll see. Cause I'm gonna see if I can get this one down to I mean, bro, if we get down to 422 today, we're gonna go see JT at Ireland. Okay.
Yeah.
We're gonna read about Josh on Yahoo Finance. Like, trader turns $100 into 10,000. Overnight
Trainer
puts.
turns $100 into 105.
DT, I gotta come make sure all those photos were correct that I sent you.
Bro, they actually are. It was just fucking. I don't know what they're doing there. Like,
I was at an Irish pub last weekend, and they had in like pictures of all the stalls or like urinals in like each different bar in Dublin, I think it was, or around Ireland. So I sent it to them. I said, "You gotta verify this."
You gotta verify this.
You know, for
It's like an odd collection. The urinal.
yeah.
It's kind of grody. If you think about like old bathrooms, they've seen some shit quite literally.
Oh yeah.
Yo, JT, do you have to pay to use public bathrooms in Ireland?
no, bro, what?
Dude, have you been to Europe? That's how it is.
I'm gonna hop off and be
Nah,
back, guys.
you can just fucking walk in. Well, I mean, yeah, you can just walk in.
That's how, yeah, that's how it, like, that's what a public bathroom is in the US. But when I was in, like, in a decent amount of places in Europe, I guess more specifically Italy, but, like, you'd need to go to the restroom, and they'd be like, yeah, pay us, like, 50 cents to get in the bathroom. If you don't have change, you just don't get in.
Yeah, nah, definitely not here anyway. You can for the most part just go into bathrooms.
That's beautiful.
Chilling. Like,
Great.
Yeah, the things that I don't know, that was like one of the culture shocks is like paying for water at restaurants and having to pay to use public bathrooms.
wait, were you getting like waters in like a bottle, or were you just getting tap water?
Yeah, that's fair. I guess if you ask specifically for tap water, they'll give it to you for free. But I don't know, they probably got lead in their pipes. The old ass plumbing over there.
Yeah. Like at a bar, well, at the hotel that I used to work in, like whenever we served, like I was a bartender, so whenever we served drinks and someone asked for water, we'd like ask them, "Oh, do you want tap water or do you want it in the bottle?" And you'd pay for the bottle, but then you get the tap water for free.
Yeah, that's fair. We're struggling to break above that 425.8 or so. 425.75 or so. I also am watching this little zone from like 426.8 to 427. A little 20-cent zone from the pre-market and from yesterday, where we've rejected like a bunch of times. Right around that, like pretty much like right around 427.
I have a zone of 427. I think I got that from the hourly though. Oh my god. Bro, what is even going on? Like, we're just freaking going up and down.
That's SPY, baby.
Actually,
I do want to see how we react around that 427. If we show some weakness up there, I might take a put position. Just how many times we've rejected off of that in the pre-market.
oh.
day. I'd be pushing to that 427.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if we. I want to see some weakness up there. Other than that, if we clear 427.5, I'll look to the upside. That 428's a serious area, though. If you go back like the past couple days, had rejections during the day, during the pre-market, off that like 428 area.
Oh yeah.
We have like a trend line from the pre-market that we're kind of bouncing right off of right now. Like a resistance. If you look at like a 15-minute or like 30, pretty much any time frame.
This needs to break one of those. Man. Josh already hop off?
He said he had to go do something, I'm pretty sure.
Do you know if there's a way to put a perfectly like horizontal line in Thinkorswim, or you just gotta draw it with the tread line?
Yeah, there is. If you click like the mouse, like the wheel button, you know what I mean? And it brings up the options.
Yep.
Do you see the one, it's like on the right side, second from the top, it has a little money symbol. It says price level.
Yeah.
That's what you want to use, my friend.
Ah, nice. Okay. I'm drawing these whack lines.
Yeah, that will be your friend.
It says it's 0 degrees, but it definitely doesn't look like it.
Yeah, and then for that, you just like double click it and you can extend it. Also, I don't know if you are aware, but if you, like whatever you draw, like a trend line or a price level or whatever, if you hit edit properties, you can save like defaults. So you can customize like the look and feel of your levels and lines.
Oh, nice. Okay.
And like save it as a default.
Have to mess with that.
So I like doing that with the price level. Like I set it so it shows the price on the left side of it, and you can adjust like the line thickness and whether it's a dash line or solid, the color of it. You can do all that. And then yes, you can set it as a preset or a default setting, so you don't have to change it every time. It's pretty nice. Damn, we're busting through 427. Let's see if we get a little pullback here. We might be getting that little bounce-a-rooski. Yeah. We were looking on that daily chart. It looked like it was set for a little reversal. That hammer on high volume.
We break through. What are you thinking? 428 on the dot.
I mean 428 is the nearest resistance, but I think we could, if we show bullish strength, I think we can make it up to like 429.5, 429, somewhere up in there. I'm judging that off of on the daily chart, like what back in, geez, I don't even know what that is, like June. We had like a little 4-day consolidation period where we just ranged between 425.8 or so and like 429.5. So we're like within that range. I think we could see a move up to the top of that. If we're strong, we'd have to break like the pre-market high and all that. We'll see. But we're showing a lot of strength so far. But yeah, we do have some resistances, like 427.5 and 428 are two areas I could see a little rejection for sure. But damn, man, we're just pushing up through, right through 427 like nothing. Still early, but...
So here's like a fair value gap to give you an idea. So see the big wick green, the third one down?
Yep.
So if you go to the top of that wick...
Yes, sir.
And then, so it's always a 3-candle pattern on the 5-minute, but then if you go wherever this one closes, that bottom wick, so kind of on that middle wick, you'll draw a fair value gap in between the top of the first candle
and the bottom of the third?
Of the third candle.
Okay.
And that's technically a fair value gap, is what he'll base all his trades on. So like wherever this one closes, if it closes above, he would probably throw in, because we're looking to the upside.
So that would be bullish, is what you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I'll have to look into that.
We'll probably look at other things too. But.
Yeah. I'll have to look that up, because I'd actually never heard of it until you and Josh talked about it, so...
Yeah. So if you go back just on like charts, or even go back to yesterday, you'll be able to pick them out and see they're pretty spot on. I mean, not, you know, obviously everything goes into it, but for the most part,
gotcha.
I'm very confident in them.
We're getting pushed back down below 427. If we close weak here, I might look for puts, but we'd have to close below 427 on the 5-minute for me to want that. If we try to push up above it, and because like I guess we got some volume on this push up. If we see some like exhaustion at the top of this move, probably get a little pullback. Damn, we're looking strong. It's so crazy watching same day expiration options, just how the premium moves. It's nuts. In like 20 minutes, you can get like 100% return. I mean, obviously, you have to catch a good move, but it's just crazy how they fluctuate. Yeah,
I jumped in yesterday for like, I think it was like 4 minutes and got 30%.
That's beautiful. That's like, if you can get a consistent like 30%, that's insane.
Yeah.
Which, like, you can do that scalping
That's
with
fake money, but still, yeah.
Yeah. But like just scalping with same day, like 20-30%, you can get that pretty quick with the same day if you get like a quick move in your direction.
Yeah.
It's crazy. The other day I like held too long. I was up like 50% on same day expiration. I was like, I could probably get like, I don't know, 100%. I held and just took a loss on it. Or I didn't take a loss, but I think I got stopped out for like a 10% gain or something. It's like, ugh.
I was talking to one of my buddies, I don't know if it was last week someday, he was up like 100 something percent, like real money.
Oh, wow.
And like in my head, I'm like, dude, sell it.
Yeah.
But he kept it, and then like an hour later, he texted me, he's like, yeah, I'm down 50%. Like,
Yeah, you gotta at least trim when you're up that much.
yeah.
Like, even if you have a target further away, if you're up like 50, 100%, it's like you gotta be crazy not to lock in some of that.
Yeah. I think everyone gets stuck on wanting to make the most money, but I always look at it like percentage-wise, because
Yeah.
the account's going to keep building, and those percentages, the value keeps going up.
That's what I'm saying. If you could lock in like 20 to 30%, that's insane.
Yeah.
Like, that's like a good return over like a yearly investment for most people.
Oh, yeah.
So it is crazy to be in a trade. Yeah, it is crazy to be in a trade and be like, yeah, I want 100%. You greedy bastard. But I've done it before, so I get it.
$10,000 today. Well,
Yeah.
We're also playing with $100,000.
Yeah,
They're not playing with $400.
yeah. You mean they're not doing that on one contract?
Yeah.
The one contract wonder? So now that this candle, Mike, we've pushed down and we kind of tested the high of that big green candle, does that mean we close that fair value gap? Does that have any significance?
I don't believe so. So like, and I gotta watch the video again. I can send it to you. I gotta find it. He'll be able to calculate a stop loss, but he does it with a what do you call it? It doesn't. It's a different calculation for stocks because he does mainly currencies.
Okay.
What's it called? I deleted it because he said it's a different calculation. But yeah, that's how he'll calculate his the moving average.
Oh, gotcha.
But it's not the. It's not like a. It's
Is it like an ATR? I think I watched. Wait, are you on about the video you sent to the Discord like not so long ago?
Yeah, ATR.
Yeah, I think it's ATR or something like that.
So what it calculates, it's the average true range. Thank you, JT. So it calculates the average movement for each candle over the last 14 candles.
Mm-hmm.
So he can calculate a good stop loss, so you don't get stopped out before the actual move. So like just like this one, if you would have put in, let's say at the middle of that green candle, and then your stop loss was right below it.
Yeah.
Hypothetically, I mean, you would have lost out before if we keep pushing up.
Yeah.
So that's how he calculates it. But I think it's a different calculation for stocks.
Gotcha.
Compared to currency.
Okay.
I gotta look into that.
We're having this bullish, like, hammer candle right at that 427 level. It's pretty tempting. But here we go.
Just that pullback.
Yeah, a little healthy pullback. Almost getting like a little bit of a bull flag here.
You looking on the 1 minute, I assume?
I'm on 5. But yeah, on the 2 minute as well, it's pretty clear.
Yeah. See if that fair value gap works. We'll see.
It's like holding above 427. Looks like it's flagging a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah.
Either way, we're going to get a move here. Whether it breaks to the upside or the downside, it's just been this little consolidation.
Ooh.
Yeah, I was kind of bearish there. Oh, here we go. Wow, alright.
Just as you said it.
So we did get that rejection right around 427. I thought we might bust out to the upside, but yeah, we just had that little consolidation in that range. Okay.
We're gonna go.
We're sitting like right at where we found some support earlier. There's a break of that sport.
Put.
We'll see.
Down to that 425.
Wow. Look at it go.
Yeah.
Damn. Yeah. We're just selling off like crazy now.
Drop below the 21.
What a little sell-off. That would have been a nice move to catch. Holy. Oh my goodness.
Oh, a couple dojis. Deciding what to do.
It's funny because we broke out on the 2-minute and retested that zone I was watching like really briefly, and I debated like, do I get a put here? And I was like, nah, it's too early. And then it just did this. I shouldn't have second guessed it. Should have just hopped in. But we'll see here.
Maybe pushing back up. Quick little almost dollar move.
This is pretty wild price action. We're just pushing right back up into that area.
427 would have been nice to catch just both of those. Be done for the day.
I mean, yeah, when you get those swings, it's volatility on those options is crazy.
I'll have to take some more calls. I'm going to stay in, but I'm going to be on silent.
Alrighty. What crazy price action. That's wild. Oof. Jeez. Getting some crazy rejections off this area. I haven't taken any of them. I feel like I've just been hesitating. All these would have hit.
Just close my position, bro.
Nice, right around 426.
Yeah, I got a 26% return. I'm happy with that. That is it. Oh my god.
Beautiful, man.
Oh,
That's awesome. Congrats.
yeah.
Were you holding that for a while?
Bro, I was holding it. I entered on the break. I don't even know how I can. It's at 20 past 3 my time. I don't know what time it is, like where you are, but
Yeah, no clue what that would be, my friend. Gotcha. Yeah, we really did bounce around there.
God damn.
What a sell off the holy. Oh my gosh, look at it. Man. I just hesitated on. I haven't taken a single trade. I was just watching it play out, and I watched like 3 different trades that would have slapped, and I didn't get in any of them. It's all good though. I don't know. Something's happening.
Do you have to go to work soon, or like, do you feel like you're under pressure with work, or like?
A little bit. I mean, I have probably like another 20 minutes or so before I have to get on work, but
20 minutes, bro. Oh my god.
damn, what a sell off.
Actually, wait, I'll. But the volume of these candles, like, holy shit, we are just going up and then down, and like,
Yeah.
what is even going on?
Where's that VWAP pullback rejection? Sophie, what price are you looking at for that? Or whereabouts? I'm curious. Somewhere up in here, I'm guessing, for 26.5. I'm looking at a retest of this broken trend line here on the 2 minute. I'm not sure we'll get it. $426.21. Not far off. I mean, you might have got it right there, huh? I mean, hopefully that's how it is. Hopefully we're sniping entries and exits. Might got one on there. Hoping we can come back down at least at that 426. Ooh, we're getting a little pullback. Damn. Jeez. Getting wrecked on this one. More weight because we're still lower high, but yeah, this is pushing up more than I want here. That's that last line of defense there. We had lowering volume on that push up. I did not think we'd get a rally quite like that. All right. Oh my gosh, that was a terrible loss. What am I doing?
Where'd you take your trade?
I took a put on the retest of that like 426.75 that we'd been rejecting off of, and we just rallied right through it. And then I entered 2 contracts. I said I wouldn't, but I did. Damn.
Do you usually try
I
contracts?
only trade like 1 or 2 at most right now. Damn, what am I doing with my life, man? I should have cut it earlier. I waited a little longer. I had faith. I was trying to hold out, especially on the 2-minute week. No, I was just basing it off price action. But I should have stopped out before I did. Or I mean, like, yeah, I should have cut that earlier.
Oh,
I've been trading like shit this week.
well, you still have more. Like, still have tomorrow. Tesla Fridays.
Dude, no, last time that was a bad idea.
I've never traded Tesla. I was on call with Ray yesterday, and he kept on going on about how good they are. I was like, bro, like.
They're good if you win. If you lose a lot too. Or like you can't.
Yeah.
Damn, that might be my only trade of the day. That's a bummer because I just missed some really nice setups, and then the setup I took just didn't play out. Oh man, what a week, man. What is going on with me? It's frustrating. I feel like I've hesitated on the good trades and then like entered the bad ones.
Yeah.
Ray, I know, dude. I was up on that rejection right here, and I didn't sell. I said I wanted to see 26. It didn't quite get there. Oh, on the Tesla Friday. Yeah, I was up on this trade too, and I didn't sell. It wasn't much, but we did get that initial rejection. I took another entry here. Yeah. Just not trading very well this week. I don't know what's going on. I think I need to abandon the 2-minute bullshit. I think it's throwing me off. I haven't traded on 2-minute all this whole time. Now I start doing it, and it gets the best of me. I don't know. I don't know what it is. There's some nice entries on the 2. I just need to figure it out. I just need to get more comfortable.
Nice.
Yeah, Ray. I took a L. I was gonna try to, yeah. Oh man. I had these nice, I had this trend line, we broke, we retested, I missed that move. I missed the retest of this trend line. I took another on this retest, but then we just blew right through it. I don't know, not my week, I guess. I'll try to check that out and understand why. We got quite a bit of a bounce on Apple, though. Holy, we're almost back to 170. Yeah. Calls off this on the 5-minute would have banged. Pulled down, stopped right at that support, opened, and just rallied from there.
Yeah, I'm still on the put. Ugh.
Yeah, I took that rejection off the pre-market high.
Yeah, just seen that.
Looking really pretty weak on the 5 and the 2 minute. All right. Now we see if we can't get that rejection here. Test that pre-market high. I just need a sell-off like happened in the earlier in the morning. Just give me that. That's all I ask.
Yeah. Sure.
This is normally when I get offline, so we should have a really nice move now. I tricked the system, staying on a little later, where I get the move that I want right after I normally get off.
Yeah. 10%.
Testing that 427. I'd like to. Ooh, got a sharp bounce off there. I'd like to see us break that. weakness up around that pre-market high. The only concern I have is that 427 holding pretty strong so far. But once we break that, if we break that, I'm golden to the downside. Yeah, on the higher, yeah, exactly. I like this right in there, that 427.5. If we can just break that 427, I think we could get some nice continuation down. Yeah, if we break that, we see, yeah, I agree. I wanted to see us clear that if I was on a look for move to the upside. For my case, hopefully we don't break above that. You're in the 425 puts? Brave. I respect it. I took the 427s because they're close. But we'll see. We'll see what we get here.
Same.
You're in 427 puts?
I'm in a 427 foot right now, yeah.
Nice. We keep bouncing off of it though.
Yeah.
So I need to see some weakness here. I mean, we're showing weakness, but I just want to see us break that, and then I think we fall. Price action's died down a little bit here. Seems like it doesn't know where it wants to go. Check my phone, make sure work's not blowing me up. Like, where are you? What are you doing? Right on 427 again. Let's see if we can't get that break. Keep bouncing off of it. Good lord, that's making me a little nervous. Break to 427, yeah, exactly. But we keep bouncing off of it. I want to see that break. We haven't shown it yet. This is not what I want to see here. Come on now. Let's see it. It just keeps teasing us. Keeps touching 427. It's like showing so much weakness. It knows. There's a slight break below. Everything's looking good. 2 minute, 5 minute, we're chilling. Oh my gosh, it keeps bouncing though. It's killing me. It's so close. I don't know about it. It's like the fourth bounce we've had off that level and we won't break below it. I don't know about this one. Wow, how ugly is that, man? Come on. This is killing me. Oh my god, dude. For real?
Yeah, I'm out. Yeah,
I'm giving it a little bit of wiggle. But we'll see. I'll probably get... Yeah, that's out. Ugly, dude. Ugly day. I'm frustrated. Alright, I'm out. That's bullshit. Damn, I just did not trade well at all. That's a terrible trading day for me. Once I saw his bounce like 4 times off 427, I was thinking it was not going to happen. Good lord. Alright. Terrible day. Terrible day. I missed some good opportunities and just got chewed up. Alright, we'll be back tomorrow. Have a good one, JT.
Alright, take it easy, man.
Peace. Alright, later all. Damn, what a rough day. And here we're gonna get the rejection, aren't we? Good lord. Anyways, I'm out. Hope you all have a great